Hello friends, welcome to Investment Guru. Today, we will see how to invest your first 1000 rupees in the Indian stock market. Please watch the video till the end. But first let me give you a very simple advice that this 1000 rupees is not a very big amount, and even if you make a profit of 50% from this, then you will make 500 rupees of it. It may not change your financial situation that much or make you rich. But for the beginners, it is the starting step to invest your 1000 rupees and keep doing it every month or every 6 months. Many people face the issue in which stocks to invest and what is the process of creating the necessary accounts. You have to follow the 2 steps. 1. Create an account with discount brokers like Zerodha, Upstocks or anyone similar. 2. Choose the stocks and start investing. I will show you simple techniques in how to invest your 1000 rupees in the stock market. For creating the account with a broker, it is very simple, and many brokers can do it in one day. You can just go to their website and fill the forms. Many can do the verification online through a video, so your process will be much faster. Once you open the account, you have to select the stocks to invest. This is the most challenging thing for anyone. We don't have time to look at the stocks every day or track every day, buy and sell constantly. We want to invest in such stocks which will give us peace of mind. We want to invest for a long term. We will start with the 1000 rupees and every month we can start putting the 1000 rupees. If we do this, we are investing about 12,000 rupees in 1 year. But because the stock market is not consistent, we cannot expect returns in 1 month or 2 months. Stock market fluctuates, it goes up one day and down the other day. So the best thing to do is invest for the long term. I would say at least 2 years or more. There are 3 kinds of companies depending on the market cap. Large cap companies, which are huge and have big investors. These are also called blue chip companies. Medium cap companies, which are relatively safe, but it's risky. Small cap companies have less investment, but they grow very quickly. They are also very risky. You can see some stocks are very cheap, 50 rupees or even less. You should avoid those stocks. For safe investment, you should select some very well-known companies in the large cap. It is very safe to invest in these. They will not give you big returns, but it will avoid big loss as well. You can find stocks like Maruti, currently at 7,110. Even though it is a good company, with 1000 you can invest in companies with stock prices less than 1000. Goal is to invest in good companies and in good sectors. Best thing to do is go to NSE website and select Nifty 50 stock list. In this list you can find large cap companies, very well known names and safe to invest. With 1000 rupees, you can start here, look at the list, select one company. In the next month or next time you want to put your money, again, go to the list, select another stock. You can do the fundamental analysis, like what is the debt in the company, what are their future plans in the products they release, check the PE ratio, EPAs. But honestly speaking, we don't understand those numbers very well. We want to invest and forget for 2 years. We are not expecting huge returns, but at least this will be higher than our savings account interest. Because we are beginners, we are choosing low-risk stocks. In 1 year, we can get some experience and go for medium cap companies. These will give a little bit higher returns, but equally risky. So we have to be careful while choosing these types of stocks. If you want to see how the company did in the past, you can open this website, investing.com. Here, enter the company name. I will enter Reliance. Select the Reliance Industries. In this website, you can see all the information related to the company. First, we can see the price chart. I will change the time frame to 5 years by clicking here. Now you can see how the company did in the last 5 years. In January 2016 the price was 510 rupees and in 2020 the price is 2296. It is an increase of 350%. So if we invested 1000 rupees in Reliance in January 2016, now it will be 3500 rupees. So, find a discount broker who will charge less or nothing for investing in stocks. Choose the proper stocks which have less risk. Put a certain amount like 1000 rupees every month and start investing in these. Invest and forget for 2 years or 5 years. I hope you will think about it and start investing now. That's all in this video. If you have any questions, please comment and I will make a new video on it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and give a like.